National Volunteer Week is a Canada-wide annual celebration recognizing the contributions of volunteers. But within this national story, 2SLGBTQIA+ volunteers have played a uniquely powerful role, one rooted in resilience, solidarity, and the preservation of community identity. For decades, 2SLGBTQIA+ communities across Canada have relied on volunteerism not just as service, but as survival. Long before widespread legal protections or broader social acceptance, volunteers built the networks that kept queer and trans people safe, informed, and connected. Volunteers preserved queer histories and memories, ensuring stories were not erased. They organized grassroots activism that helped Canada's ongoing journey from criminalization toward greater legal equality. They created chosen family networks, mutual aid systems, and community care structures that continue to support those facing discrimination or isolation. In 2SLGBTQIA+ communities, volunteering has always been more than giving back. It has been a way to claim space, build belonging, and challenge systemic gaps with creativity and compassion. Volunteers have helped sustain trans health advocacy and legal support systems. They lead mutual aid efforts that redistribute resources and care. They nurture pride organizations and crisis response networks, often entirely through unpaid labor. As we honor National Volunteer Week, we celebrate the 2SLGBTQIA+ volunteers who have transformed struggle into solidarity and isolation into community. Their work, past and present, reminds us that volunteerism is not just an act of service, but a powerful force for justice, belonging, and collective hope. Why not join us and volunteer with the Canadian Pride Historical Society at cphs.ca/volunteer